In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Hootsuite for LinkedIn native videos. To get started, open Hootsuite and look for the option to create a new post. You want to click Create a Post. This is the entry point where Hootsuite lets you choose the destination and the type of content you want to publish. After you click that, give the page a moment to load so you can see the posting options clearly. Next, you need to decide where this video should be posted. In the Posting Composer, select your LinkedIn page or your LinkedIn profile. This step matters because Hootsuite can manage multiple destinations, and selecting the correct one ensures your video reaches the right audience. Take a second to confirm you are choosing the exact LinkedIn profile or page that you use for your content. Once the destination is selected, you can add your video. Click Add Media. You will usually see a button or a menu that lets you attach files from your computer or from an available media source within the platform. When you click Add Media, focus on the upload window or media picker that appears on screen. This is where you prepare the video so it can be posted as native content on LinkedIn. After the media options open, select your video, choose the file that you want to publish, and confirm it is the correct one. It is a good idea to verify that the title or file name matches the video you intended, especially if you have multiple drafts or exports. Also, wait until Hootsuite finishes processing the video so the upload fully completes before you move on. Now that the video is added, you can write your post content. Enter your post content in the text area provided in the composer. Keep your message clear and relevant to what is shown in the video. You can include context, a short summary, or a call to action if it fits your style. Take your time here because your caption and accompanying text help people understand the value of the video before they even press play. With your caption ready and the video attached, the next part is choosing when the post will go live. Click Schedule for later. Scheduling is useful if you want your post to publish at a time when your audience is more likely to be online. After you click Schedule for later, the scheduler controls should appear so you can pick the exact publishing moment. Now you will select the date and time. In the scheduling section, select the date and time you want your LinkedIn native video to be published. Make sure the time zone shown in the scheduler matches your expectations. If you are unsure, double-check the time zone displayed on the screen, because that small detail can change when the post actually goes out. Finally, once everything looks correct, you will click Schedule. This confirms your plan and tells Hootsuite to store the post for publishing at the scheduled time. After clicking Schedule, it is a good habit to glance at your scheduled posts area or confirmation message so you can feel confident that your video is queued successfully. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.